Let's shift our focus, and there are some important updates that we are getting at this point in time. Hardeep Singh Puri, Union Oil Minister, is likely to visit Qatar. He is going to be an official. He's going to be, in fact, on an official visit to the state of Qatar on 9th and 10th of April. This is the latest update that we are getting for you right now. This comes after we got the news yesterday that the External Affairs Minister, Dr. S. Jaishankar, is going to visit the UAE, and now the news that we are getting is about Union Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh Puri, who is likely to visit Qatar. It is going to be an official visit to the state of Qatar on 9th and 10th of April. It's a two-day visit that we are looking at of the Union Petroleum Minister. Now, the timing is, of course, very, very important because of the ongoing, conflict across West Asia. Even though yesterday the announcement of ceasefire came and we thought probably things will start improving, Iraq opened its airspace. We were hoping for some positive news on that front from other Gulf countries as well. But instead, what we are seeing today is that Iran has decided to close the Strait of Hormuz once again. This is in response to Israeli attacks on Lebanon. So it's a very crucial point that we are at this point in time as far as the ceasefire is concerned. It was a two-week conditional ceasefire. And Pragya, my colleague, is now joining us live for more on this. Pragya, can you tell us a little bit more about this visit of Union Oil Minister to the state of Qatar on 9th and 10th of April?
Well, what we have gathered from our sources that this is about the energy resources and procurement, and looking at the West Asia situation and the conflict that is going on. It is also, reaching out to these countries in the West Asia to ensure that there is some kind of, normalcy in the situation, whatever role any country can play. In fact, you remember Mr. Jaishankar has also spoken to various West Asian countries, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well. Now, we are looking at an uncertainty as far as the Strait of Hormuz is concerned, and we also have a concern for the supply of, LPG gas, LNG gas. All of that, a major source comes from this particular Strait of Hormuz. But we have to complement our existing resources. We have to add on to the countries that are supplying our energy resources, and we also have to look at the prices because there are very the companies of in fact the petroleum companies and other companies which are supplying these gases are also under tremendous pressure despite the subsidy that has been given by the government, but there are major losses that they are undertaking. So all of that also becomes a part of a delegation and also the talks and interaction that may be having when Petroleum Minister Mr. Hardeep Puri visits Qatar. Very important, country as far as West Asia is concerned. We have been in talks with Qatar previously as well, but it looks like that there is some kind of negotiations that can go on, and we will try to get more information on this.
Right. Thank you, Pragya, for the moment for joining us.